Today I am going to discuss a question which appeared in IIT JAM 2021. Question number is 2, and it says let R2R be a function defined by fx is equal to x raised to the power 7 plus 5x cube plus 11x plus 15. And option given are A. F is both 1 1 and onto. B. F is neither 1 1 nor onto. C. F is 1 1 and not onto. And D. F is onto but not 1 1. That means we have to find if the given function is injective, surjective, bijective or none. Normally we check 1 1 function with the condition if fx1 is equal to fx2 implies fx1 is equal to fx2 implies x1 is equal to x2. This is what we normally check for 1 1 function. And for onto function we find if the range of the function is equal to codomain. Here both domain and codomain are the real R2R, so we will try to find if range is also lie between the R, that is real values, right? When polynomials of higher degree are given, like this polynomial fx is equal to x raised to the power 7 plus something, it's difficult to prove, it is difficult to establish x1 is equal to x2 by taking fx1 is equal to fx2. It's difficult to establish that way. So under such circumstances we check whether the given function is monotonic. What is a monotonic function? Monotonic function is either increasing or decreasing. Suppose we have a graph like this. This is both increasing and decreasing. This is called non-monotonic. But when we have a graph like straight line, which is strictly increasing or decreasing, right? So this type of graph, when we have such graph, or suppose we have something like this, a function like this, these type of functions are strictly increasing or strictly decreasing, and they pass our horizontal line test for 1 to 1. You know, remember na, horizontal line test for 1 to 1? When if we draw a horizontal line, that is a line parallel to x-axis, and if it cuts the graph at only one place, then the function is 1 1 function. So to find whether this given function is 1 1 or not, what we do? We will differentiate it. Fx increasing, decreasing, you remember, x raised to the power 7 plus 5x cube plus 11x plus 15. Then f prime x, that is derivative of fx, is equal to 7x6 plus 10x square, 15x square plus 11, right? Now look at this function. This is an even function. Right? And in case of even function, f(n) x, in case of this even function, f dash x will always be greater than 0. Even whether you take positive value of x or negative value of x, these both will remain positive, plus 11. So this will always be greater than 0. When f dash x is greater than 0, means the function is increasing. So graph will be like this. So as I discussed, function is increasing, and when we have such functions which are strictly increasing or strictly increasing, we say those are monotonic and 1-1 function, right? And moreover, whatever value you have for x, right? Now come back to the function. Fx is equal to x raised to the power 7 plus 5x cube plus 11x plus 15. The range of this function will definitely be real. When you take the negative value, it goes down up to minus infinity, and for the positive x, it will extend up to positive infinity. So the range will always be between minus infinity to positive infinity, that is R. So range is equal R implies range is equal to codomain. That is the condition for onto function. So our function is both 1-1 and onto. So this option, both 1-1 and onto, option A is the correct, right? Thank you.